Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Generative Fill not working in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If your Generative Fill feature isn't working in Adobe Photoshop, don't stress. I've got you covered. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, make sure your Photoshop file is in RGB color mode and set to 8 bits per channel. This is super important because Generative Fill won't work if your document is in CMYK or set to 16 or 32 bits. You can check and change that by going to Image, then Mode, and selecting RGB and 8 bits per channel. Next, check your internet connection. Generative Fill is powered by Adobe's cloud-based AI, so if you're offline or have a weak connection, it simply won't generate anything. Third, confirm that you're logged into your Adobe Creative Cloud account. If you're not signed in properly, the Generative Fill option might not even appear. Try logging out and then logging back in. That usually resets things and fixes the issue instantly. Once you've done all of that, checked your color mode, ensured a stable internet connection, and signed into Creative Cloud, your Generative Fill should start working just fine. That's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tutorials. See you in the next one.